Guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I've been wanting to replace my battery terminals as well as the battery cables for a long while now. That's mostly because the previous owner actually swapped the cables to some aftermarket speaker cables. Although they are probably thicker and work better, I think I like the OEM one better. I do have one of the OEM ones, which is the positive side, which we'll be putting in today. So basically we're going to be swapping out the terminals, one of the cables, as well as we're going to be putting in some terminal covers as well. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is probably not the first time you've seen my battery and the terminals. So you see these are the aftermarket terminals that I have on here. I'm not really a fan of these. As you can see, they're only held on very little, and it's the same on that side as well. So you can see all that wire just curls up, and you can see there's the red cable and the black cable, which doesn't look really good. So we're going to be pulling these terminals out as well as swapping this side of the cable, because this one's already black. All I have to do is cut it and maybe like put a new terminal on here, and it should look pretty good. So we're just gonna have to pull this out. So to pull this side out, you need to go in there with your under there where there's a starter. It's basically held on one bolt, and you undo that. It's a 12 millimeter, as well as you undo it from the fuse panel here, and then the whole harness should come right out. Of course, you gotta unclip it from there. You see this clip right there. So then you could pull the whole harness out. So this one is actually hooked on all the way to your transmission. So the transmission hooks to, I guess, a part of ground of the body, and then it hooks up to here. So we're going to take that out as well. And right here are the things that I'm going to be putting in. That is basically my new positive cable wire, which we'll be swapping that part out, the terminal. These are my two new terminals, and these are terminal covers. I think it's going to add a nice little touch to the engine bay. And there you go, just like that, the cable is out. So I'm probably gonna swap over, I guess, this part here, this zip tie thing. All right, so this one's done. So it looks pretty good. So we're gonna reinstall this right now. All right, and there we go. Looks way better. Now it's all nice and hidden. I should wipe this up a little bit. It's a little dirty after I put the boot in. But everything is in there now. I've got the OEM kind of cable connecting here. No more of this crap. I mean, yeah, it's thicker, but look at this. It's just, I don't know. I'll keep this around as well. You know, you never know when I'm going to need it. Anyways, guys, that was a short little video on how to replace your battery terminals and battery cables. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.